Alright guys, we're gonna do a cold start on the Integra. Hopefully this mic works this time. I recorded one video but forgot to turn the mic on, so let's try this again. Don't mind the dust. Just for comparison's sake, the motor is essentially stock, running some awesome eBay headers and an engine hot air intake. Otherwise, completely stock. There you guys, we are going for a quick ride. Car's warmed up. Let's get out of here for a second. Go for a quick drive and try to get some exhaust clips here. Exhaust, highway speeds and whatnot. I mean, this car, the gear ratios in this car just makes it so that highway speeds 60 plus, you're in the higher RPM ranges. It's a pretty noisy car to drive on the highway with this transmission. I forgot to mention, this is also the first day that I've gotten to drive the car after the ASR subframe and swaybar install. Oh my god. Road, do not drive this road. speed. They've been doing a lot of construction over on these roads. When I first moved in years back, definitely very minimal construction, but these roads are barely driven on. I feel like watch for ice. All right. I'm no expert in driving, but this is our suffer phrase in sway bar. Definitely makes the car feel like it wants to rotate much better than it previously did. I feel like I was kind of fighting it to turn in before getting to the sway bar. Don't mind my granny driving. Just a commuter. Not a race car driver. Busy over here, so I don't know how to describe it, to be honest with you, but of course, who knows? Maybe just a placebo effect of buying new car parts. Well, with this traffic, we'll go ahead and end the video here, or end this clip here. And we'll kind of come up to town here in a second anyways. Probably grab a cup of coffee and we'll catch up with you guys for a closeout to this video. Take you guys to one of my favorite coffee spots with no coffee. All right, hopefully that wasn't too terrible of audio. I wanted to take you guys to one of my favorite viewpoints out here. Hate the Pacific Northwest rain, but cannot complain about views like this. That's in our backyard. Cannot complain about that. Wish I could put you guys in the scope, in the telescope right there. to really appreciate this view. We'll end this video here. Hopefully you guys got a good perspective of driving, cruising around with the Revel Medallion exhaust system. The weather's been really shitty, so we haven't got the HKS exhaust installed just yet, but I'll do a similar video with that exhaust system in the next video, and we'll just do some comparison clips back to back. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.